Hi everyone, welcome to today's learning. We are going to read a poem called Rolling Rumble, written by Jill Eggleton. We are learning to make connections to what we already know. What can you see in this picture that you already know about? I can see some trees, some birds and birds' nests, and a very big man. He is ginormous. Did you already know he is called a giant? Look at what has happened to the ground. There's a big crack in it. The trees look like they are moving. Does that help you guess what is going to happen in this poem? Let's read. Rolling rumble. There was a rolling rumble, and the ground began to quiver. The leaves on the trees and the grass began to shiver. There was a rolling rumble, and the wind began to wheeze. The birds in their nests were blown from the trees. There was a rolling rumble that went drumming through the air. It was just a giant tramping in the hills somewhere. What do you know that makes a rumbling noise? What could the rumbling noise have been? I think it has something to do with the big giant and his big feet stomping on the ground and making the ground shake like an earthquake. What else do you know that makes rumbles? Maybe your tummy rumbles when you're hungry, or you hear rumbling thunder in a storm. Rolling rumble. Rolling might mean that it keeps going for a while, just like when you're rolling a ball. It keeps going. Here are some questions for your parents or someone at home to help you with your understanding. Do you know what all these words mean? Can you find out the meanings of these words? Wheeze, quiver, drumming, tramping. What do you think the rolling rumble sound could have been? What can you think of that makes a rolling rumble noise, or a rolling rumbling noise? We would love to hear your answers. You can send us a video or some writing on Hero. Bye!